In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion as a social media manager. We'll walk through a simple way to get started using ready-made templates from the Notion marketplace, so you don't have to build your system from scratch. By the end, you'll know how to quickly find, choose, and install a template that can help you plan, track, and organize your social media content. First, open Notion on your computer or in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. From here, look for the Marketplace option. Depending on your layout, this might be in the sidebar or accessible from the main menu at the top. The Marketplace is where creators share templates you can duplicate and adapt to your own workspace, which makes it perfect for busy social media managers who need a solid starting point. Once you're in the Marketplace, go to the search bar at the top of the page, click into it and type social media. Take your time here and make sure you spell it correctly so you get the best results. This search will bring up templates specifically designed for planning posts, managing multiple platforms, tracking campaigns, and organizing content ideas. After the results load, you'll see a preview of a few template options. Look for the option that says something like See All, followed by the number of templates available. Click on that link so you can view the full collection instead of just a small selection. This step is important because it opens up many more choices, from simple calendars to complex dashboards that can manage multiple brands or clients. Now you'll be on a page dedicated to social media related templates. Take a moment to scroll through and skim the titles and thumbnails. Look for a template that matches your workflow. For example, if you handle several platforms at once, you might want a template that includes a content calendar, status tags, and spots for captions and media links. If you only manage one channel, a simpler template might be easier to maintain. When you find a template that looks promising, click on it to open the full details page. Here you can usually see screenshots, a description of how the template works, and sometimes a short guide from the creator. Read through this to make sure it includes the views and databases you need, like a calendar view, board view, or analytics notes. Once you're happy with your choice, follow the on-screen prompts to add the template to your workspace. This usually involves clicking a button such as Use this template or Duplicate, then selecting the workspace or page where you want it to live. After it's added, you can start customizing it. Rename sections, adjust properties like platform or status, and add your own content ideas and scheduled posts. From here, your Notion space becomes your social media command center, helping you stay organized, consistent, and on schedule with your content.